How's it going, scholars? And welcome back to Learning Math with me today for Group 2. And today we're going to learn how to count the say 10 way. And some of you might already know how to do that, but it's just going to be extra practice, and maybe you're going to learn something a little bit more just to help you understand how to count the say 10 way. Okay, great. It's going to be a quicker lesson today, so we're going to go get started, and I'm going to switch the camera around. All right, so in an earlier video, I said that I might have like some dots right here, so just ignore that, okay? Because that's for me to help teach you guys. So we're gonna get started by counting out how many cubes that I have on the table, okay? So I got some white cubes today. Let's count them. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many cubes do I have? 10. All right. So I'm going to put them together like this so that I have a little bit more space. So I have 10 cubes right there. Now, if I put this one here, how many cubes do I have now? I hear some people saying 11. That's great. That is true. I have 10 and 1. 10 and 1 is 11. So another way to say the number 11, we can call it 10, 1. This is the say 10 way. So again, this is called 10, 1. What's that called? 10, 1. So 10, 1 is another way to say the number 11. Okay, so now, how many cubes is this? 10 and 2. 10 and 2 is 12, but we're going to focus only on saying the 10, say 10 way, okay? So we have 10, 2. All right, so again, this was 10. This is what? 10, 1. This one is 10, 2. Now, if I add another one, how many is this? 10, 3. And then if I add another one, 10, 4. If I add another one, 10, 5. And then how many is this now? 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 6. And then let me move it a little bit so we can all see. If I put another one, how many is that? 10, 7. Then this one is what? 10, or I'm sorry, now this one is what? 10, 8. And then if I put the last one, how many would that be? 10, 9. All right. So now we're going to practice counting a little bit quicker, okay? So again, if I put these blocks like this, I'm going to group it this way this time. And let me put it all together. All right. How many blocks is that? Because this is a different way that I can group it. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many blocks is this? 10. All right, remember, we're practicing counting the say 10 way. So ready? 10, 10, 1. This one will be what? 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8. And this would be what? 10, 9. You might have heard a doorbell ring and somebody came to stop by. But remember to keep safe and practice social distancing because I don't want you guys to get sick. All right, so we counted the say 10 way, and let's see if we could do it a lot faster this time. Ready? So again, remember, this right here was 10. And if we're counting the say 10 way, ready? We're going to practice a little bit faster now. This would be what? 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, and the last one here would be 10, 9. Awesome job. All right, now we're going to do some practice on some paper. I'm going to show you how to do this first one, okay? So on this piece of paper, it says, I can make 10, 3. Remember, another way to say that is 10, 3. So on my little chart right here, I'm going to fill in these tens frames to make the number 10, 3. So since that first number is 10, I'm going to fill this in 10, Make sure all of it is filled in. And I know that I'm going to fill all of them because this is a tens frame and I know this is 10, right? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But this side is 10, 10, 3. So this side is 3. So I'm going to fill in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right. So now I want you to pause the video not yet. You're going to look at these next 3. So I have 10, 7, 10, 5, and 10, 9. And I want you to practice on your own. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and do that part and come back when you're done. All right, so now if you're at this point, I think you have already finished all these last 3 problems and we're gonna do it together. And you could check yourself. You could check your work when we're all done. And if you got everything, you can give yourself a happy face. All right, so over here, I see this is 10, 7. So I'm gonna do the same thing and count 10, 7. So I know this side is gonna be all filled up because this is 10. So I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make that a little bit darker. Okay, so I got my 10 and 7. So I'm feeling 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 10, 7, 10, 7. Awesome. Now this side, 10, 5. I'm going to do the same thing. Let me fill this in. This side's going to be all filled in because it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, got my 10. And this side is how many? 5. So let me fill in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me check my work. 10. Yep, got my 10. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, got my 5. 10, 5. Awesome. And the very last one, I got the number 10, 9. Remember, we're counting the say 10 way. So 10, 9. So fill this in. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this side's got 10. This side is how many? 9. So let me fill in 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me check my work. Got this side had 10, 10, 9. So this side's 10. Yep, got my 10. This side was 9. Did I get my 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I got my 9. All right, now I want you to, so if you got this, you can give yourself a happy face because you did all your work today and you should be so proud of yourself because you got 10, 3, 10, 7, 10, 5, and 10, 9. So you can give yourself a nice big happy face on your paper because you did so great. All right, now I'm going to ask you a question though. How would you say the number 16 the say 10 way? So I have the number 16. How would you say that the say 10 way? I would say it as the number 10, 6. So if you said that, you give yourself a nice pat on that back because you got it. All right, what about this number? Ready? How would you say the number 14 the say 10 way? Oh, I heard somebody say it. It would be 10, 4. Awesome. All right, awesome job counting the say 10 way with me today. And I hope you guys get extra practice at home. Maybe you can count some things in your house that you can count the say 10 way, like maybe some pencils, some crowns, whatever you see at home that is more than 10, you could try and practice counting the say 10 way. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. And I'll see you back on Tuesday. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.